Today we drove by car to where we ended on the Loire on the first day and continued downstream. And a little bit of dirt track, not too bad. The river Loire can be seen on the right hand side. And after a short while back on tarmac. Here we come to the city of Saumur, famous for its wine and for the chateau de Breze, amongst others. The chateau was constructed from 1060 onwards. Major modifications in the 16th and 19th century. It has retained, however, its medieval elements like the drawbridge and the 12th century troglodytic basement. Around 3 kilometers of galleries were constructed to shelter from the Viking raids. The chateau has about 30 hectares of vineyards. The wines of Saumur, it can be seen that Saumur is just west or downriver from Cunault, where we were before. This is the location of the 3 ACs which carry the name Saumur. And here we have the 3 respective names of these appellation contrôlée areas. The Saumur area is best known for its sparkling wines, white as well as rosé. But the appellation also covers still white, rosé and red, and each of these has its respective area, which don't necessarily overlap. There's also a sub-region called Saumur Notre, and that's red only. The wines from the Saumur Champagne, so that's the dark area close to the river Loire, are considered the best of the Saumur area. Northwest of Saumur the route goes slightly inland, that's where we are now. But here we are back on the riverbank of the Loire. It's obvious that the Loire area is very popular with cyclists. This is the Eglise Notre. We'll see more of this later on when I fly my drone over it. Chaussée en cours appears to translate into hunting in progress, so we did not continue in this direction. We arrive now in the next appellation contrôlée area, which is the Anjou. As can be seen from the map, this is quite a complex area. These are the names of the regions in the area. This is not complete, as some can be further subdivided. Basically, the area produces white, rosé, red, dry and sweet wine, and still and sparkling wine. Without going into too much detail, the following appellations should be mentioned. Rosé d'Anjou is the least prestigious appellation in the area. It produces rosé from the Cunault Noir grape, which is not seen as a very high standard. The Cabernet d'Anjou appellation also makes rosé, but this time from the Cabernet Franc and Cabernet Sauvignon, and is of a higher standard. The Anjou Village is an appellation for red wine made from Cabernet Franc and Sauvignon. Then we have Sauvignon, which uses the Chenin Blanc to make a dry white wine, similar to the Sancerre and Vouvray further upstream on the Loire. And then we have the regions of Breze, Côte de l'Aubance, Côte du Layon, Quartz de Chillon, which all produce sweet white wine of a very high standard, similar to Sauternes, for instance. With some, the harvesting is done in various phases, and only the grapes, the individual grapes with noble rot, are being picked. A bit inland again. So here we cross over to the northern bank of the river and we continue going west along the Loire. A very nice, smooth and wide road. On the return trip we passed by the church Notre in Cunault again, and I took the opportunity to fly the drone.